Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update BigCommerce AI tools for automated FAQ generation. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your BigCommerce account. Navigate to the dashboard by clicking on the home page. Locate the Apps section on the left-hand menu. Click on Marketplace to access the App Marketplace. Use the search bar to find the AI tools for automated FAQ generation. Select the AI tool that you currently have installed. Click on the Update button if an update is available. Review the update notes to understand what changes have been made. Confirm that you want to proceed with the update. Wait for the update process to complete. Once updated, return to the dashboard. Navigate to the AI Tools section again. Check if there are any new settings available. Explore the updated features and functionalities. If necessary, configure the settings to align with your business needs. Save any changes you make to the configuration. Next, test the FAQ generation feature to ensure it works as expected. Monitor the performance and accuracy of the generated FAQs. If issues arise, consult the support documentation or community forums. Finally, keep your AI tools updated regularly to benefit from new features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.